TikTok is one of the hottest social networks online today, but if you're new to the app, it can be tough to learn. One of the best ways to customize your original TikToks is to add photos, either as a slideshow or as a template in your post. Both are done right within the app itself, without the need for an additional add-on app, so grab your phone to get started. Open TikTok on your phone, then tap on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen to enter creation mode. From here, you can access both slideshow and template modes without shooting a second of footage. For most people, slideshow is the easiest to use, so tap the upload button next to the red record icon, then tap the images tab at the top of the screen. Here, you can preview photos or select multiple photos by tapping on the small circle in the upper right corner of each thumbnail. Each photo you select is numbered, so make sure you label them in the right order when selecting which photos to use. When you're finished selecting photos, hit the slideshow button to preview your clips. TikTok will automatically suggest music for your clip, but you can edit this music by tapping the Add Sound button in the corner of the screen. You can also switch the orientation of how your images move by tapping on the horizontal button and add filters with the Filters menu. Hit Next when you're ready to post. If you'd rather make something fancier than a slideshow, the Templates option in TikTok is for you. Head to the recording screen, then tap Templates in the bottom left corner. This is where you'll find options to select photos to automatically create moving, stylized photo templates for your video, complete with preset music and effects. Find the one you want to use, then press Select Photos to choose the photos you want in your template. Then follow the on-screen steps to post your video. If you liked this guide, make sure you subscribe for all sorts of videos covering TikTok and other technology. And don't forget to check out one of these videos we think you might enjoy.